As soon as the new data is being added, your dashboard and reports going to be refreshed with the new data. You can also consume or import structured or unstructured data using Azure services. You can connect directly to the Azure services, push live streaming data from Azure sources, any of those analytics streams in real time, integrate with other Azure services with very ease. It's just drag and drop. Same way you have a live connectivity to your premise data also. You can connect to existing databases like SQL Server, Analysis Services, SAP HANA, Oracle, Teradata. It does require you to install the Enterprise Gateway on premise side. So Enterprise Gateway can connect through different ports or also can be able to connect to HTTPS if required. Security wise, you can even have a row level security. So what is row level security? For example, you have a salesperson named Bob. You only want Bob to see his own customers. In Power BI, you can have him only see his customer, not any other salesperson's customer. So that is row level security. Also, only query is stored in Power BI. Data is always on premise if you are using query to bring the data to the dashboards. So the next challenge is managing the data in the cloud. Companies have all kind of data. Some has so much data they cannot store on premise, so they push the data in the cloud. And you have to buy very expensive ETL kind of softwares to mishmash the data if you want to get the data from different resources and put it together in some way in like a kind of a data warehouse. So you have all kind of complexity in there. But Power BI eliminates it. You can mishmash data in Power BI. You can get it data from many different sources and combine it together, create a model within Power BI, and then create a dashboard and reports and have the users consume it using dashboard and reports. The next IT challenge is integration with existing environments. This is a very big challenge actually. We want to see our dashboard reports at one place. And the vendors of most of the software companies do not play along. So user has to go from one application to another just to see the data or consume the data. But Power BI eliminates this. Now developers can embed that dashboard in existing website and existing applications. You can use REST API to push the data directly from app now. You can also use REST APIs to manipulate the Power BI reports and dashboards. And you can integrate AD and OAuth for the secure access for the logins. And also create your own custom visuals using D3 JavaScript. This way, when you create your own dashboard and reports, you can have your own visual, your company logos, maybe in your graphs and charts, etc. So the next challenge we have is keeping the data current. So all our C-level or V-level executives, even regular users, they want current data. They don't want to wait. They want current data now because they have to make very crucial decisions day to day. So Power BI solves it. You can use a direct query to connect to SQL Server, data warehouses, or even Hadoop. Also, you can connect to on-premise data. So data is always current on on-premise most of the time. So your dashboards and reports are always current. You can also do schedule refresh for your reports. Sometimes users don't want very current data. They can wait. Say it's okay if you can refresh the data every 4 hours. We can schedule our refresh time however we want in Power BI. We can have every hour, every day, 4 hours, etc. Same way, streaming data, I showed you the example in my earlier video. We can use REST API to stream data directly from our any data sources or our IoT devices. We're gonna learn more about our gateways as we go along. Next challenge we have is ease of use. Trust me, Power BI is very easy to use as compared to many other softwares. For end users, it is intuitive and interactive dashboard and reporting. When users have this power, they love it. Now they know they don't have to go to IT. They can do all the stuff by themselves. And for the analysts, it is a very familiar tool and they can easily create models and reports. And for IT loves it because they don't have to maintain all the infrastructure. All they have to maintain is this tenant setting and rest is all taken care of by Microsoft. So with that, I will close this video and we'll see you in the next video.